Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Hamza Ali, belonging to group 46. Today, my topic is gestational diabetes. Introduction of gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes is a condition in which your blood sugar level become high during pregnancy. It affects about 10% of women in USA each year. It affects pregnant women who haven't even diagnosed with diabetes. There are two classes of gestational diabetes. Women with class A1 can manage it through diet or exercise, but A2 cannot manage it with diet or exercise. They have to take pharmacological medicines like insulin or other medications. Gestational diabetes go away after you give birth, but it can affect your baby health and it give rise risk of getting type 2 diabetes later in life. Uh, you can take steps so that you can make your baby health and your health better. Symptoms of gestational diabetes. Women with gestational diabetes usually don't have symptoms or may chalk them up to pregnancy. Most of them haven't know about the gestational diabetes. They may notice it by some symptoms like they feel more thirst, or they will feel more hunger, and they will get a chance of more pee. Gestational diabetes causes when you eat, your pancreas release insulin, a hormone that helps move a sugar called glucose from your blood to your cell, which use it for energy during pregnancy. Your placenta make hormone that cause glucose to build up in your blood. Usually, your pancreas can set out enough insulin to handle it. But if your body can't make enough insulin or stop using insulin as it should, your blood sugar level rise and you will get gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes test and diagnosis. So gestational diabetes usually happen in the second half of the pregnancy and your doctor will check it between 24 to 28 week or sooner it will get if you are higher risk or you have chances of getting gestational diabetes, your doctor will check it earlier. Your doctor will give you a glucose tolerance test. You have to drink 50 gram of glucose in a sweet drink, which will raise your blood sugar level. A hour later, you will take a blood glucose test to see your body handled or sugar. If the result shows that your blood sugar level is higher than a certain level, you will need 3 hours of oral glucose test, meaning you will get a blood glucose test after 3 hours and drink 100 gram of glucose. Your doctor can also take test by having you fast for 12 hours and then giving you a 75 gram of glucose drink and 2 hours of blood glucose test. Gestational diabetes treatment and pharmacological way. If you have gestational diabetes, you will need treatment soon as possible to keep your body healthy during pregnancy and delivery. Your doctor will ask you to check your sugar level 4 or more times a day. Check your urine for ketones, chemical. That means that your diabetes isn't under control. Eat a healthy diet. Make exercise a habit. Your doctor will keep a track of your weight and your baby development. They might give you insulin of another medications to keep your blood sugar under control. Treatment with pharmacological agents. So, as we said earlier, the insulin is the best medication, but we have different lines of medication. So, insulin also was historically given, but we can use oral medications like metformin or glyburide. So, if we see the cycle, GMD type 2, then there will be if we see the glucose level 120 to 180 or the fasting glucose level for 95 to 140, then we give glyburide and then if the symptoms stop, then we just give the glyburide and do not move toward the combination with insulin. We don't do not move toward insulin. We just stop with glyburide. But if the plan of glyburide didn't work, then we move toward the insulin, and we make sure that we also follow the non-pharmacological methods. So the case study, the patient information name was Julia Hargrove, 39 year of age, occupation curator, a Bachelor of Science degree in history, a three-bedroom house in Georgia, Virginia, patient ethnic African American, female, family males. only mother and aunt, and husband was her married was 9 year old, and she have an infant son. A patient walked and from each day. The reason for gestational diabetes. So a patient was seeing her routine obstetric care while at health care center. She shared that she had feeling sick in afternoon oftentimes, and she struggled in keeping food down. The patient also have growing concern of amount of weight she is gaining and elevated blood glucose level, regular checkup. So actually the patient Julia Hargrove is feeling struggling, and she has a feeling of a bit lowness, and she has elevated blood sugar level. So she was complaining for this, and we have doubt of gestational diabetes because of these symptoms she tell us about. So what we recommend for her? We recommend first try to control it with non-pharmacological activities by controlling diet, healthy lifestyle or weight loss. Ensure regular glucose checkup, and if not controlled, we move toward the pharmacological score. Drug of choice will be glyburide and insulin. Oral agent can be used, for example, metformin 500 OD. Okay. Thank you for presentation. Listening my presentation. Hope you will like it. Khuda Hafiz.